Here we are, Battersea Power Station. Evening pleasure cruise over there on the Thames. Well, Chelsea Bridge to bring down the river here. And the light display here, Battersea Power Station. The art installations at Battersea Power Station here in London. The revamped power station. Chelsea Bridge in the background there. The light installations here, 2025. I believe this spectacular's been going for certainly on last year, on for about a couple of weeks, I do believe, during winter. Inside the old power station here, you've got a piano here. Only a bit of play. Up the escalators here. Boiler House North here. Well, one of the formidable art installations in the revamped power station. Expect restaurants, shops, and various other places of interest, even a cinema here. Well, a few bars here as well, and the impressive light display here. Bright up winter here at Battersea Power Station. There we are. This is Turbine Hall, very topical name there, in the old Battersea Power Station here. Open well into the evening here as well. Split across 3 floors here. Well, there's a piano on the ground floor. Certainly a piano on the second floor, third floor as well. On there's another one here. Shop and play. There we are. Invited to play the piano here at Battersea Power Station. The impressive light installation continues down here. I believe it's on the ground floor, with a few on the first floor. Bridget Jones at 4, Dogman Complete Unknown, and Captain America 4. New lease of life for the old power station here. Down the escalator here, some of the old remnants here of the bygone power station, the old remnants on display there. And the machinery, turbines, whatever else, whatnot here. Graciously going down here, even got Marks and Spencer's here. Another piano in situ, which visitors are welcome to play. We're gradually working down here. Another view of this art installation here. More parallel with it certainly here. And all the shops, of course, open during office hours, of course, here. The restaurants and cinemas here as well. Well, if you fancy a game of snakes and ladders, there's your board. Because many youngsters would have played that as a child. And we have, with some Valentine's Day being yesterday, floral installation of the heart here. And there it is. Gradually working down to the ground floor, and the pianist, Battersea Power Station, light installation until the 23rd, I do believe, and certainly outside as well. In fact, the majority of them are outside. This is the Boiler House South. And you're welcome to play the piano here. I'm told we're on the ground floor. Haven't seen a map available, but Turbine Hall, Electric Boulevard. pianos here. Everybody's welcome to have a go on the ivories here. Pianos here for the community. Everyone's welcome to play. Please share and play gently. There. Doing a good job anyway. There's a model mock-up of the power station here. And the old remnants here. Well, this is the artwork in bloom. Artist Kumquat Lab UK. The Light Festival here at Battersea Power Station. Interesting. Bit of music here, accompaniment as well at Battersea. Well, anybody interested in who's created the individual light installations here? Well, this one's Parabolic Light Cloud, the artist Amigo and Amigo AU for the Light Festival here. Well, artwork here, this is the first one actually. Of course, doesn't matter what order you go around in. The artwork, Spin Me a Yarn. The artist Studio Vertigo UK. And here it is. Of course, the other meaning of yarn is to talk to somebody in quite a long, convoluted way, probably. A bit like in the country. This is spin and yarn. Of course, being the material. Well, alongside some of the temporary installations, we have some permanent installations here. Close to the flats. Of course, breaks the winter up as well. A bit of light here and brightens the place up. Well, these trees here outside Battersea Power Station. Some history here as well. Probably better to look at in daylight. Plethora of new flats around here. Probably quite expensive, one would assume. Outside Battersea Power Station, just there. Succus West Village here. They call it. There's a map there. You can find yourself. Find where you're going. A post box there. Might even be a phone box around here. In case your battery goes. The revamped Battersea Power Station. A few bars, restaurants around here, and a cinema, and also shops in the power station. Faraday House there. Anybody who wants to know more about the art installations, do look on the internet, on the website, which I will endeavour to provide. There's some very basic details here written up, with nothing of any substance, but on the lower ground floor here there's only about 2 installations here, so I think I've only seen 2, and this one is Aurora here. James Clancy, the artist, James Clancy Designs Limited. I beg your pardon, There it is written up there. James Clancy Designs UK. The artwork Aurora, there we are. At the Light Festival. Aurora, there we are. Outside Battersea Power Station here. Light Festival. All revamped in the last couple of years. Quite close to Vauxhall and Nine Elms. Rather expensive apartments there as well, no doubt.